Hello everyone, good morning here in the countryside. Hello guys, good morning once again. I'm just walking here on this field, and as you can see guys, all the grass now is not green anymore. Yeah, there's still some part that few grass are um have a green color, but most of them are all dead. They are all dry and the color is not green anymore. And this is the rice field here. As you can see, there's no water on the rice field, and it looks like a plaza to me. That's why maybe most of the kids every day they're just playing here in this field because it's nice to play, because as you can see, it's now it's like a dead rice field. So it's a beautiful day today, everyone, and the sun is just coming out, and it's not really hot at this moment because it's just come out the sun, but it's too bright to my eyes. So you know and look at my hair. Yeah, I made it yesterday. I color my hair red this time, and hopefully I'm good on my hair color. I'm looking good, I mean. So let's go here. This is my first time, guys, that I really went to this side of this place. This is the neighborhood's piggery here, and this is normally the kids going here, this tree, and we call this tree here aratilis. I don't know what's aratilis in English, but in our native language here, we call this datilis, but in Tagalog, it's aratilis. So now, this is the closer look of this aratilis tree, and looks like there's pig here, as I can smell something awful in here. So this is the piggery here, guys. I'm at the back of this piggery, and I want to walk closer. It's empty now. It looks like they make it as their stock rooms. Yeah, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they got five. What do you call that, guys? Divider for their pig. And I'm looking to that bamboo, little bamboo house there, guys. It looks like it's falling down. Yeah, bamboo house is falling down. Maybe because some few days ago, it's really windy. Not just wind, huh? It's a strong wind. So, and maybe it's not strong anymore because I think that bamboo house in there, that little bamboo house in there is already built it in that um, um, part of this field a long time ago. So I think it's not strong enough maybe for like when there's a strong wind to hit on that rotten bamboo. Bahay kubo. Yeah, we call that here bahay kubo. So this is the looks of this place at this moment, guys. There's a lot of birds. Yeah, this is the looks of the place at this moment. All is brown, and that farm in there, that sugar cane field, if you can see in there, they um they just renting that farm, guys. And I asked the person that owned that renting that farm, sugarcane farm, and she said they almost cost a lot on that sugarcane farm already, but looks like the sugarcane that they plant on that field is not yet really growing very good. Maybe because it it never rain anymore here, guys. During that time that they plant that field with that sugarcane shoots, it really never really rain anymore. So plant, they really need water, right? So that's why maybe it doesn't grow really good. But some of the sugar cane, look at that, they are quite okay, and they are now growing tall, but they're not really as I can look from here, they're not really like before when I can see most of the sugarcane plant here. They are all nice, healthy, and really the color is really green. Yeah, but now they look like they're brownish green, because yes, as I mentioned, as I say, plants really need water, so they don't got enough water because no rain anymore, never, since I think since December. Yeah, I must say, since December, there's no rain anymore here in our place. But according to some people that I talk about this rain, some other part of this place it got rain, but I don't know why in this place it doesn't have any rain anymore. But somewhere in Bacolod, and somewhere part of Mindanao, part of Davao, yeah, there's a lot of rain in there, but I don't know. And you know that, guys, you know that place there, that one, you know that place. There's a house in there before, but they knock it down and they moved to another place. And the owner of that place is they are quite good people. And they got, you know that, they got mango trees in there. And now their mangoes, it got fruits. And we normally, me and my partner, we normally going to that place and checking if there's some fruits that falling from that mango tree, because you know when it's windy here, wow, the wind is really strong, and all the fruits of the mangoes here, it's just fall down on the ground. So you you don't need to get a stick, a long stick, to get some fruits on that mango tree. All you have to do is just waiting for some fruits to fall down from the mango tree because of the strong wind. And it's quite really early, this really early for this time, guys. Yeah. And there's a farm in there that it calls, we used to call it here, it's popular farm um from here is, they call that dragon fruit farm. That's what we call to that place. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's too far. It's a dragon fruit farm. If you can see, there's a corrugated, that the color is red. Corrugated roof. And the color is red. And also that farm in there where you can see, if you can see, there's a carabao in there. A white carabao. Let's try. Yeah, if you can see on that part of the farm where there's a falling anak, I don't know, yung matutumba na, guys, na bahay kubo, merong karabaw na puti ba yan? Ayan, yung farm na yan, yung garden na yan, I don't know kung ano itatawag. I don't really know what to call, so that it's I think vegetable farm, vegetable garden, because it's quite big, you know. Yeah, guys, it's quite big place to call a garden, but they planted that field or farm vegetables. It's bitter fruits and string beans. So I hope you guys like and watching my video till the very end. Yes, it's a beautiful morning here in the province, here in the countryside. Yes, and looks like there's some music I can hear. So hopefully my video won't be copyright. So thank you guys for watching once again. And please, for those who not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and follow me on my Facebook account. I will put my Facebook account here on the screen, the screenshot of my Facebook account. Then thank you so much for my old and new subscribers, and please do a comment and suggestion, guys, because sometimes I don't know what content I will gonna make. So thank you so much for watching. Good morning again, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!